Hello, hi. My name is Puvi, and welcome to the first lesson on how to stargaze from your terrace. So, this is a short video series we're doing from Outdoor Being in collaboration with a space company called Heuristic Innovation. So, this will be a short series of video for over the next 20 days to talk about stars and how to improve the hobby of stargazing from your home. Since we are all home for the next 20 days, we thought this is the right time to talk about stargazing and develop this hobby. And to start with, we need an application. You can just download Sky Safari from your Play Store. Let's just go to Play Store, Sky Safari, and I've already downloaded this app, hence I can open it from my Play Store directly. So this is the application. So this might look slightly confusing. There'll be a lot of stars which we do not see often in our city lights because of the light pollution, and it's a beautiful world out there, and we see a lot of images which is slightly confusing why those images are here, and we will try to learn about all of them gradually. But for now, we have to learn two important things about this application. Ignore all the options down here. You might have to only focus on one option called compass on the right hand side of the bottom. Click on that, and it will take you to the current location here. And of course, you have to turn on your location. After once you're open the application, you just point the application to the any direction on the sky and click compass, and it will take you to the stars which is visible on that direction. Of course, you can see bright stars, and the bright stars will also be visible here. Since I'm doing this on a pretty good daylight, I can see sun, and of course Neptune, Mercury, and other planets out here. So for example, I can see Phoebe. It's a moon from Saturn. So once just click on those planet or stars or moon, you will see information icon right next to them. All you need to do is just click on those information icon and to know about those specific information about that particular object, uh, moon or a planet or stars on the sky. So for example, I can see moon of Saturn here, and those information displayed over here. So for the to begin with, we can start with a small assignment for today. All you can do is do a very simple task of identifying the moon with this application. Once you identify the moon, you can use this application, point towards the moon, and you will see moon on the sky and in the application as well, and you will see a bright planet, a shining star next to the moon. It's a planet. So I want you guys to find the name of that planet using this application by just clicking on that particular planet on this application. Find the planet through this application by pointing towards it on the sky. After identifying it, you can just comment your answers on this comment section on this video, or go to our Instagram page and message us, send us screenshot. You can ask us any question, share your experiences and feedback as well. This is our Instagram page. We are looking forward for your questions and experiences. And with this, we'll end this lesson 1. Welcome you all to the wonderful and mysterious world out there. Thank you.